Oh wow, 4:30 in the afternoon already? Time flies when you only sleep for an hour and a half and then get up early in the morning, upload your video, and then sleep for the rest of the day.
This is Mike Cook, and you're watching RCF 76.
Wow, happened again. Fell asleep again, and it's like almost 8 o'clock. Where's the time going today? Just sleeping it away, I guess. I don't know. But anyway, I'm going out for a walk. Okay, so I wasn't technically sleeping all day, but it felt like it. It's like every time I lied down on the couch to watch something, I'd pass out for a bit. I was even online on Facebook this morning asking Mike if he wanted to film. No response. So I figured, whatever, I'll find something else to do. It's just one of those lazy days that just doesn't really amount to anything. But I'm going for my daily walk. Whoa, sun. Wow, that's crazy. Sorry for stopping that so abruptly, but I sneezed. I had to sneeze. Just looking at the sun made me have to sneeze. I don't get it. You ever have that? You know, you look at the sun, you sneeze. I know it's dust particles that get into your nose, but do they travel from the sun, or is it just the brightness of the sun that triggers it? I don't know. If you know, you're smarter than me. Wow. So I came home from my walk, sat down on the couch to watch a couple videos, and guess what? Fell asleep. Now it's like 1:15 in the morning, and I'm just finishing up the video now. Oh well, whatever. That's life. That's what happens when you barely sleep and you need more sleep, and every once in a while you take a whole day to catch up on lost sleep. Well, here we go. But anyway, just gonna end it today and check out the channel of the week below and the rest of the links. All those links are really cool. Check them out. Even if you have already, check them out again. Things might have changed. Who knows? Yeah, take it easy.